Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you with another unboxing. This way you can see it before you buy it. And as you can see, I'm still working out of the house, so we're not able to hook the stuff up, but we can open it up and let you hear about it. Here is a brand new item for the US from B2 Audio. Yes, never been here before. It's called the RAGE65X. They are $109.95 each. And when you order them on the Big Jeff Audio website or the B2 Audio USA site, you also get an extended 2-year warranty for free. That's a promotional running right now. This is August. Don't know how much longer we're going to run that, but you get it right now. But let's talk about this. This is a 6.5-inch full range speaker, but unlike any full range you've ever seen before. Now, remember, this stuff is designed in Europe. First thing I'm going to do is, because when I open them up, I don't like to send stuff that people think is new, and it isn't. This is new. We're using in the video. So normally on this product, I just sign it real quick. And if you get this, you'll know this was the set used in the video. Okay. So Europe is different than the US market. In fact, they don't have mid-bass, mid-range. They just have full ranges, and their speakers are designed to be a full range, mid-bass all the way up. So this is called a full range, but it's still a coaxial. Now, you notice first thing was you got this grill. Most coaxials have some type of grill, and I like this grill. It's plastic. You can paint it whatever color you want, and it doesn't cover up the whole speaker, but it is kind of cool. Second, you have this really nice tweeter on here. And let's turn on the Big Jeff camera real quick.
Big Jeff cam activated.
So right there, you have the capacitor already mounted for the tweeter. So this is 4 ohms at the terminals. You don't have to do anything else. You can still use DSPs or crossovers, but technically you don't have to. You can run a full range signal into them. Okay, let's talk about this. One really cool cone. It's like, I've never seen this design before. It's got like a texture to it. It's a beautiful surround. Definitely something that's gonna last in the weather. This is definitely not considered waterproof, but I don't think it's going to kill if there was some moisture or a little bit of water got in there. So saying that, this could be used for a motorcycle, definitely used for car audio. 85 watts RMS, very efficient. All the stuff from Europe is just a nice looking speaker. It looks totally different. Let me turn the Big Jeff cam back on so you can see what I'm talking about. It's just something different. It's totally different. It's not cookie cutter at all. Okay. So, B2 Audio 65X. You can get them on our website. They're $109.99 for the set. It's really not a bad price at all. I'm going to pull up the website over here. Let me leave this out. I've heard these already. I wish I could play them right now and do the walk back, but let's do another time. But for $110, why not get yourself a set? 85 watts RMS, max power 200 watts, 4 ohms, 60 hertz to 30 kilohertz. 60 hertz to 30 kilohertz. Huge wide range of sound that you get out of the speaker. 1-inch voice coil. Mounting depth is only 2.5 inches, so it can pretty much go anywhere. The magnet is a Neo. Yes, very loud, very crisp. It will blow your mind the amount of output you get out of here. That's why I don't want to call it just like a coaxial. Even though it is a coaxial, I don't want to call it that. Just because it's not like that normal cheap tweeter on top, and that's it. This is a full range speaker. This is definitely one that I wish I could hook up and let you hear it, because that tweeter really opens up. 2.5 inches also, I mean, think of that. You can put it anywhere. And again, some people look at B2 Audio as maybe a little bit higher price. It's not. This for $110, you can put it up with Rockford, Kicker, a bunch of different speakers that are even more expensive than that. But the output and the quality of the sound out of this is incredible. I'd love for you all to check this out on the website. Easy to get there. You could just type in RAGE65X, or you could actually do the part number, which is RAGE-65X. Either way, bring this up. They're online right now, bigjeffaudio.com and B2 Audio USA. That's $110 shipped. Now, you're gonna already get the extended warranty as of right now, which means CPS will repair, replace it if something happens to it. It's just a nice looking speaker, and it's not what you normally see. We will be doing a follow-up video where we can play these and hear them. But for that price, why not just check that out? Why not get a set? And I like, normally I have this big bulky, some don't even have a bass blocker on there, but it doesn't. This actually has a 9.1 UF 100 volt cap on there. It's soldered in already, it's mounted. And all you need then at that point is a positive and a negative. Of course, it's 60 hertz is subwoofer range. You're not going to play this like a subwoofer, but just shows you how much mid bass you'll get out of this. Beautiful looking speaker. $109.95. Check a set out. I'd love for you all to leave some comments about this, maybe about the design, or if somebody's already ordered a set and they want to leave some info on it. The cool thing about this is you can run this off radio power. So if you don't have an upgraded system, or you're not there yet and you want to replace your door speakers, this is perfect for that. And then if you do have an amplifier, it'll just open this up. So this is a great crossover. If you're building your system and you've done bass, but you haven't done mids and highs and amplification yet, put these in the door, and then later on add that 4-channel or 2-channel, whatever you can do for how many speakers, and let this open up. This is actually a soft dome Neo tweeter, Neodio. The sound out of a soft dome, for some of y'all that might not know the difference, it's why they call it soft dome. It's very soft. It doesn't make you squint. You don't do that face like you're eating a sour ball. It's just a clean signal with a great frequency range. $109.95. Check it out. Make sure you like this video. I know we're not able to hook them up. We're not getting, we're not at the shop. We're doing it from the house, but I want to keep making content for you all to get to see the stuff up close. And the grill you can use or not. This was made to be a lesser expensive speaker, so you're not going to see like the B2 logo in the basket or things like that. And that's why this one's priced at the 109 range. We know some of the B2 audio is very high end, and they take a lot of time where you can actually look at it and see different things each time you look at it. The plastic grill makes it easy to use if you need a grill. And like I said, you can paint that, you can do whatever you want with that. If you didn't want to see a speaker at all, I could even see wrapping this with grill cloth and then putting this back down. Otherwise, it's made to just make where the tweeter is. Perfect setup, clean. All right, I'm Big Jeff from bigjeffaudio.com, b2audiousa.com. Check this out, RAGE65X for $109.95 for the set. And this will also come with a extended accidental 2-year warranty right now as of August 2024. That will change probably before the new year, but for right now, take advantage of it. Hey, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, good or bad. I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully soon I will be back in our video booth to hook this stuff up and get more in depth. But for right now, I'm day by day getting better. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one.